everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the AppyChart Revenue Recognition product into your NetSuite account. This process can be done in 3 easy steps and should only take about 5 minutes to set up. Here, I'm in my company's Sandbox account, but this process can be done in any account with Advanced Revenue Management enabled. The first step is to install the Appy Access bundle. To do so, hover over Customizations, Suite Bundler, and search and install bundles. From here, click Advanced, set the location to Production Account, and enter the account ID. This account ID should be linked in the deployment guide. Click on Search. And first, I want to install the Appy Rev Rec configuration bundle. This is the Appy Access bundle that we want to install. I'm going to check the components to make sure that it includes the file that I need. Afterwards, I'm going to click Install and Install Bundle. Here, we see that the AppyChart Rev Rec configuration bundle is pending. The next step is to install the Appy Rev Rec product. I'm going to do the same steps, going to my Suite Bundler and search and install bundles. Click on Advanced, set the location to Production Account, and enter the same account ID. Now, I'm going to install AppyChart Rev Rec. I'm going to make sure my components are all here, and this can be found in the deployment guide that's given to you. From here, we'll see that both the Appy Access bundle and the AppyChart Revenue Recognition product is being installed. Now, the 2 bundles have been successfully installed in this account, and we can see that it's marked by this green check mark here. Now, we have to go on to the 3rd step, which is setting up a custom portlet on the dashboard. So I'm going to navigate to my dashboard, click on Personalize and Custom Portlet. Hover over the top 3 dots in the top right corner and click on Setup. Set the source to AppyChart's Rev Rec v2 deployment. The chart should automatically display and be populated with your data. And that's all that there is to it. I can filter by subsidiary. I can drag and drop this portlet around to fit my needs. If I wanted to change the periods that are displaying on this chart, I need to go into the Save Search that was installed with the bundle and change it from there. To do so, I'm going to go to List, Search, Save Searches. I can filter by the type of revenue recognition plan, and I'm going to search by the Save Searches ID. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit. Under Criteria, I can set the plan periods to my preference, and this will display on the chart. For example, if I wanted to add in September 2020 to December 2020, I simply need to select those and click Save. Now, when I go back to my dashboard, it now displays September 2020 all the way to December 2021. With this light, simple product, I can now view my amount posted against my amount unposted on the same chart on my home dashboard.